Hi folks, well, it's an interesting afternoon, and why are we standing in this beautiful harbor?
We're at the North Harbor. We're going to be jumping aboard a small charter vessel and going out onto Prince William Sound.
And the whole idea is to do a little bit of landscape photography from the boat, and we've got some sun and clouds, so we have a good chance of getting maybe something interesting. And then we're going to try to shoot some animals as we come across them. Never been Koreans in my strength, so our shots are usually more entertaining than they are artistic. So we'll just have to see how this all works out.
So, Shawn, what do we need to be aware of when we are doing photographs from a boat?
Mostly what we need to be aware of is two things. One, the relative light levels. And today we've got a lot of overcast, a little bit of sun, so it's a little darker than we would like. And the second thing is the motion of the boat, which is going to make your shots quite blurry if you don't have a pretty high shutter speed. So today it's all about getting that shutter speed pretty high.
And what are our ways we can do that?
And I think we're going to use two techniques. One, we'll probably use set on manual and actually set a higher shutter speed. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to set our ISO up probably, I'm guessing right now, somewhere between 1,000 and 1,500 to give ourselves, to support that higher shutter speed. We also, if we're going to be shooting animals, we don't need the really super high f-stop. So what we'll be doing is using a lower f-stop, which is actually increasing the diameter of the aperture. So all of those things are going to be used tonight to see if we can get nice sharp photographs. Even of the landscape type shots, we probably won't use real high f-stops even for those, because we really want to compensate for that boat motion.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Here we have the very mysterious wildlife known as the kayakers. They always hang out in groups and they're very brightly colored.
With the exception of the next clip, there's not going to be a lot of discussion about what we're doing in this video. As you might imagine, the boat's roaring along, it was windy, so there was a tremendous amount of noise. And a lot of the spoken video just didn't come through very well. And as a result of that, we've decided to edit most of that out and instead just give you the beautiful clips as we cruise the sound, and to let you enjoy that with a little music. Again, that'll be right after the following clip. Sometimes it's a really good idea to have your camera on burst mode when you're out bouncing around out here like we are. Conditions are such that, we're rocking around a bit, and this way you get multiple shots of the, in this particular case, a waterfall that Corinne's working on right now. Corinne and I don't consider ourselves wildlife photographers, but in Alaska, you really just have to take out the big lenses and take those opportunities because there's literally incredible wildlife all around you. So, Corinne, did you have fun?
It was a good trip. Our captain took us to some nice spots, waterfalls, and got to see a little wildlife.
Yeah, it's Valdez water taxi. His name's Josh. We highly recommend him. And he really got us to some great spots, and the sun even came out for us, and a few otters even decided to cooperate for their photographs taken. So it was a good afternoon.
One thing that we did is had one lens that was the 24 to 105 for landscape, and Shawn put on the
100 to 500 for some wildlife.
So if you are by yourself and you have a chance to have two camera bodies with two different lenses, that would be ideal.
Yeah, that would definitely be the way to go. Anyway, it was a lot of fun, and it was a great experience. Highly recommend it. So this brings this video to an end. We've had a great time. We sure hope you did too. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see more of our videos, we hope you will consider subscribing, and we thank everyone who has subscribed so far.
And also, if you would kindly hit that bell button so you'll be notified when we release videos, that would be really helpful.
And if you have any comments or questions about any of the photos we showed, or how to get in contact with Captain Josh, just let us know.
And until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.